Hello YouTube, it's Sunshine again. Just like to show you my pocket knife collection of knives. One of these I'm going to show you is the one I made. I made this one by hand. It's not really sharp right now, but I'm going to get it sharpened. She used a piece of wood, carved right down there, put the thing in, took some duct tape and some bolts. Then I taped this little strap on so you can put it around your hand so you won't drop it. Right. This is one of my switchblade knives. I've been using it a lot. It's one of my top knives. Here is a one I just bought a week ago. U.S. Marines. First of all, when I bought it and all, I thought it was a lighter, but because I had this. But it turns out it ain't. It just looks like one. Very sharp. It's got a good blade. Here's one my dad gave me. It's got a good blade on it. Now here's one of my multi-tool clip knives. Clip it on your belt. It's got a flashlight. This blade right here is a saw, and this right here is just a regular knife blade. It's cool. This right here is one that I usually use for small projects. See, I broke the tip of it off trying to open something with it. Here's one of my collectible items. It's a Harley motorcycle pocket knife. It comes with a flashlight when you push this right here. It's got a good blade on it. It's really long. Good groove. Here's another one of my multi-tool pocket knives. It's got a flashlight on it. Okay. It's got pliers, nail filer, a saw, screwdriver, all the good stuff. Oh, it's you can put it on your keychain too. It's small. Alright. Here's one of my old pocket knives I've had. I wouldn't say my first pocket knife I had, but I've used it a lot. Here's one of my... Can't remember where I got this one right here from. But I just found it in my collection. Here's one of my multi-tool knives again. Missouri. Camping. Gone camping. It's got the necessities you need to survive. I'm not really sure where this came from. Like I said, some of these I found. Small knife. Got a good grip. Here's one that I broke off the handle to. Well, I didn't necessarily break the handle off, but I broke the sides off. But it's kind of dull right now because I haven't used it in a while. But, yeah. And this concludes all my pocket knives collections. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and leave me comments. Thank you.